Okay, you guys, both of you, knock it off. Sorry.
Oh, we were using that.
Oh, I didn't know
You didn't hear him?
No.
What's he doing?
Ooh, tearing up the couch or the chair.
Hey, can we steal that? Thanks.
Alright, this is the part where I'm going to scorch you. When I do that, push the phone aside and give me the basic metal thing.
Should I just let you do it a few times just to like pester me and like...
I'm going to do it once, and then you're going to do the metal thing. Okay, we're just going to go a total demo reel now. We are shooting. Get creative.
I don't know what to do. So,
Okay.
one.
It's one.
Mom, what's a creative way to give someone the finger without words?
It's facial. Is your face going to be in it?
Yeah.
It's facial expression. You know, you could be like, or fuck you.
Like creatively.
I don't know.
We'll try some of the facial expressions.
Do one casually, like, yeah, fuck you, or fuck you, or piss off.
Okay.
Do that sassy one that she just did.
Like what? Like
Yeah.
I can't do that.
Try.
I can't do that.
Okay, that's two.
Two.
Okay, yeah. Pick up the napkin, show it to me, and then drop it, and then go pick it up, and then come back up with the middle finger.
Okay.
3.
So how many do I need?
We'll need quite a few.
Okay.
Go like under the table and do like middle finger puppet show. Like do one hand up first and then do another.
How does that end up letting him
Get your giggles out.
Just do it while you're giggling, it doesn't even matter.
Okay, so oh my god, okay.
Lift your hands up a little high. Get the other one down. Okay, that's 4.
Okay.
Do the classic crank up one.
Are you gonna have any to do?
Yeah. We can
Oh,
think.
you can do the trumpet, like.
Okay, do the crank up one. No. That's a classic. We gotta have it.
You know, I would do it. Crank it this way.
Whatever. It doesn't really matter. All right, that's 5. Do the nose pick. That's 6.
You could have sneezed. You could have went, achoo.
No, I can still do that.
Okay, do that one too. Like while you're, get your hands over there. 7.
I don't like that one.
Why not?
I don't know. Just don't. Magic trick, maybe? Like,
Pick your nose. Have a booger one.
We already did pick your nose.
We did
Oh.
sneeze. I could like pull one out of my pocket.
Try it.
Yes, no?
You know what? You should put your phone in your, like right here in your drawer or something. Pull your phone out, put it on the table, and then go like this.
Okay. No.
No, I'm not doing that.
No, I'm not doing it. I have 7. Do I have 6? I have 8.
8.
What's the trumpet one?
You can do the blow up one. Try that. There we go.
9.
Got 9. Do one that involves both. Once again.
Both hands?
Yeah.
I gotta do with both of my hands. Pew, 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 pew.
Yeah, do it, but do it like.
How do I do that? Like, I can't do it with my left hand. Like
There we go. You got 10. Yeah, so wait, like when we start doing this, count 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay, you guys, both of you, knock it off.
Keep going.
Oh.
Okay, cut. Hold the camera. Videotape me do some crazy wiggling around. Go in and out.